Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix one military camp crashing, not launching, lagging, not loading, black screen, low FPS or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then choose power button, then select restart 5. So after restarting your PS5, check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. Now if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. First open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that select one military camp, then select restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete game's save file. For that open settings on PS5. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select one military camp and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that first open PS5 settings and go to system. After the select language option in the left sidebar, now choose current language. Then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that first go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that click on sign out option. Once done, again log in to the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that open settings on your PS5 first, then choose system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings. After that choose update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that first launch settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and finally select restore option. Next solution is to reinstall one military camp. For that first highlight one military camp on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5, install one military camp and then check if the error is resolved. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link already I have provided in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game and then check if the problem is resolved from the support team. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.